If you play games on a Windows PC, the Xbox app is a great way of getting functionality that you might not have previously discovered. But it's not perfect and its error codes aren't exactly the easiest to fix always. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can fix the error code 0x87dd0003 in the Xbox app on Windows 11. So let's get started. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is to check the Xbox app itself. So we're going to do this by right-clicking the Windows menu right here and then going over to installed apps. Now in the search app section, just look for Xbox and you'll find the app right here. Go on the other end, click these three dots and then click on advanced options. Now if you scroll down a little, you will see repair and reset options right here. So go ahead and click on repair. You'll see this progress bar pop up. So Windows will now try and repair the app so that it functions properly, downloads any missing files and so on and so forth. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and reset the app. This will delete all the app data, so you will have to log in again. But this is one of the easiest ways you can resolve a number of issues with the Xbox app. If this does not work, your next step is to try and find an update for the Xbox app on the Microsoft Store. Now this is as easy as opening the Microsoft Store itself, heading over to your library, which is right here. We'll give this a second to load up. And any updates for all the different apps that you have will show up right here. So as you can see, the Xbox app doesn't seem to be in it. We have the game bar plugin. But yeah, if there are any updates, you will see them show up right here. Alternatively, you can go to the download section and you can see all of your pending updates right here. So you can click on the update all button or the get updates button to find whatever updates are pending on your system. This will run for a bit, and if there is an update for the Xbox app, it should show up here. From that place, you can update the Xbox app, make sure it's on the latest version, and then try running again, because running an outdated Xbox app can sometimes cause a bunch of problems. So as you can see, I did have an update for the Xbox game bar, which is now queued. So just make sure that your game bar, Xbox components are always up to date and running at the latest version possible, and you shouldn't be running into any issues like that. If updating the app didn't help, you can always try to go ahead and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. Now uninstalling it is very easy. All you have to do is press Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, head over to installed apps, and in here we are just going to search for Xbox. Once this list is done loading up, Xbox is right here. Click on these three dots, click on uninstall. Windows will ask you, are you sure? Click on uninstall again to remove the app. Once it has been removed, we are going to open the Microsoft Store. We're going to search for the Xbox app. No, don't want the Game Pass Ultimate, already have it. And once you're here, this open button will be replaced with the start button if you don't have the app on your system. Go ahead and click it, download the app, and that should give you the latest version of the Xbox app, and that should open without any problems. Moving on, you can also try reinstalling the Xbox app from the Microsoft website itself. Now to do this, first we're going to have to uninstall the app, obviously. So press Windows key plus I and then to open Windows settings, and then head over to apps. And here we're going to click installed apps, and I'm just going to search for Xbox in this list. Our Xbox app is right here. Go to the other end, click these three dots and then click uninstall. Windows will ask you for a confirmation. We know what we're doing. So go ahead and click uninstall and you should be good to go. Once you're done with this, you can come back and open a browser of your choice. Give this one a second to load up as well because Arc is slow. And I'm just going to search for Xbox Windows app on Google, you'll find the xbox.com domain where you can download the app from the official website. I'll leave a link to this page in the description below. Once you click on it, this will download an Xbox installer.exe file, run it, and that should give you the latest version of the Xbox app and should hopefully resolve the issue. Next up, it's important to check that the date, time, and the region of your system is set up properly. If you've got the wrong date or the wrong time on your system, you'll not be able to access the internet and internet related services. And if the region is different, then of course you'll run into localization issues with the app. To fix your date and time on Windows, just press Windows key plus I to open settings, and in the find a settings section, I'm just going to search for date, time. So date and time settings, click on this. This will open up. Now make sure that set time zone automatically is enabled. Set time automatically should also be enabled, and in this page only you will see a language and region option. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Language is more or less fine, but make sure that your country or region is set to wherever you're currently living. This is important because Xbox content varies based on what region you are in. So you might run into problems if your region is set somewhere else, but your IP address is originating from another region. Just make sure everything is in line and try launching the Xbox app again. After this, there is a very quick and easy fix for the problem. It's resetting the Microsoft Store using the WS reset command. How do you do this? Press Windows key to bring up the start menu. I'm just going to search for WS reset, and as you can see, it's a run command. Just click on it, a black window will flash on your system and Microsoft Store will open up, and that's it. It has been reset. Try looking for an update to the Xbox app or reinstalling it now, and it should work just fine. The next step is to install the Xbox Identity Provider. Now this is a tool that works somewhere in the Xbox range of apps that works on your system. So I'm not quite sure how it affects it, but it is required on some PCs in order to be able to run the Xbox app. You may not be able to find it on the Microsoft Store, but I have a link for the tool for you in the description below. So you can get there and you can either download it directly or you can click to view it in the Microsoft Store as well. As you can see, this is already installed on my system. So the get button right here is grayed out. But otherwise, if you don't have it, this get button should be clickable and you should be able to install it. So install the Xbox Identity Provider, restart your system, and then try opening the Xbox app again, and hopefully the error should be gone. Another thing that we can do to mitigate this issue is to uninstall and then reinstall the gaming services installed on your system. Now to do this, we will need a Windows PowerShell. So let's just go ahead and open up a PowerShell window, and you're going to have to run two commands here. The first one being this. So as you can see, get-appxpackage. So it finds the Microsoft Gaming Services package and then removes it for all users. So this will completely remove gaming services from your system. So I need you to enter this command, press enter, and then hit a refresh. And then the second command is going to install it again automatically. So right here, this command will install it. Both of them will be available in the description below. You have to run them in the correct sequence. So this is the one for the installation. The previous one was for the uninstallation. Uninstall, restart your system if you want, and then reinstall to make sure that no residual files are left, and that should fix problems with your Xbox app. Before we move on to the penultimate fix, it's a good idea to go ahead and check the Xbox services running on your Windows system. So press Windows key and search for services. This will open up this services install box. And in here, we are just going to go through this list to find any Windows or Xbox services that we need to be up and running. So for example, right here, We have the Xbox Accessory Management Service, we have the Xbox Live Auth Manager, the Game Save, and the Live Networking Services. All of them need to be running. As you can see, only the Live Auth Manager is running, so it provides authentication and authorization services for Xbox Live, which means that if this is not working, the Xbox app will not be able to log me into my account and will give me an error code. This, as the name suggests, syncs data for Xbox Live game saves, and this enables the Windows networking Xbox Live programming interface. That's a separate thing. But the Live Auth Manager absolutely needs to be running if you're feeling if there are any issues with whatever error that you're getting. You can try and manually start these services by right-clicking on them and then clicking start. So just make sure that all Xbox related services are running, and you should be able to fix the problem. Last but not least, as I've said in all Xbox related videos, make sure that your Windows installation is on the latest update possible. You can check this by pressing Windows key plus I to go to Windows settings and then clicking on the Windows update option. You can click check for updates to make sure that you don't have any pending updates possible, but as you can see, I have my system updated. A lot of the times, if there are any issues in a Windows component, the developers fix it in an update and then roll it out. So it's always a good idea to make sure that you're on the latest update possible, and that should help you fix your Xbox app errors. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.